Digital skills for work. What are they and how to improve them? Digital skills for work. What does it mean? Digital skills in the workplace refer to a set of abilities that enable individuals to navigate, communicate, and perform tasks online effectively. Today, these skills have become essential across numerous job functions, even those that are non-technical. They have become a cross-cutting requirement. Why enhance digital skills? Without a strong command of digital skills, organizations cannot drive innovation and remain competitive. Therefore, employers prioritize candidates who demonstrate possessing these skills. Digital skills, furthermore, not only increase your employability, but also enable you to navigate the web with awareness and ease. Improving your digital skills is a lifelong journey that requires dedication, curiosity, and continuous learning. Remember that the required digital skills can vary across industries and job roles. Seek out the specific digital skills relevant to your industry and the job roles that interest you. Session 1. Essential digital skills for work. Session 2. Fundamental strategies to enhance your digital skills. Session 3. Using digital skills to navigate online job search. Session 4. Expert advice. Session 1. What are the essential digital skills for work? 1. Digital literacy. It encompasses skills in using computers, operating systems, and software applications. It also includes knowledge of online security and data privacy. 2. Communication and collaboration tools. Examples include email usage, WhatsApp, and other instant messaging systems, video conferencing, and project management tools. 3. Data collection, analysis, and interpretation. This involves tools and techniques for data analysis, such as Microsoft Excel, SQL, or data visualization platforms, which allow extracting meaningful insights and trends from large datasets. 4. Information management and digital organization. The growing amount of information available online demands strong skills in digital management and organization. This includes effective information searching, source evaluation, file organization, and creating digital documents. 5. Digital marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content creation, and digital advertising are highly sought after in the digital market to reach target audiences, enhance brand awareness, and boost sales. 6. Cybersecurity, encompassing aspects like cybersecurity threats, security protocols, safeguarding sensitive information, defense against phishing attacks, and maintaining data integrity for individuals and organizations. Session 2. How to improve your digital skills. 1. Begin by identifying the specific digital skills you want to improve, considering their relevance to your professional goals and industry demands. This self-assessment is highly useful in focusing your efforts. 2. Explore online learning platforms and enroll in courses that best align with your improvement objectives. Make use of their flexible learning modes to adapt learning to your needs and schedule. 3. Participate in webinars and workshops that provide practical training and exercises to apply your digital skills. They also offer valuable opportunities to learn from industry experts. 4. Expand your network and be open to diverse perspectives, new ideas, resources, and tools. Follow reliable blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and interact with industry experts. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share knowledge. Connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. 5. Seize every chance to gain experience and apply your skills in real-life contexts. Volunteer for projects, internships, or freelance opportunities. Experience enhances your portfolio and showcases your competence to potential employers. 6. Consider finding a mentor or seeking guidance from professionals who have expertise in the digital domain you want to develop. Mentors can provide valuable advice, share their experiences, and guide you on your learning journey. Their insights can accelerate your skill development and offer valuable networking opportunities. 7. Embrace continuous learning and dedicate regular time to learning, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Digital skills evolve rapidly, and you need to stay updated consistently. Session 3. Digital skills for online job search. Some useful tips. 1. Identify websites and job search platforms. Research popular and reliable job search websites and platforms that cater to your desired job role. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and CareerBuilder are popular platforms offering a wide range of job listings across various sectors. 2. Utilize advanced search functions. Refine your search criteria using advanced search features to narrow down job listings by location, job title, industry, experience level, and other relevant factors. This helps you find opportunities that align more closely with your specific needs. 3. Set up job alerts. Take advantage of features provided by job search platforms to set up alerts or notifications for new job listings that match your preferences. This ensures you stay informed about the latest openings that best suit your requirements. 4. Explore company websites. In addition to job search platforms, visit the websites of companies you're interested in working for. Explore their careers or job sections to view relevant job postings. Gather information about the company, its product, services, mission, and values. These details will help you tailor your applications. 5. Leverage professional networking platforms. Utilize professional networking platforms like LinkedIn to connect with industry professionals, stay updated on industry news and job listings, and facilitate your job search. Reach out to individuals who might offer helpful insights, advice, and references. 6. Customize and optimize your online profiles and resumes. Ensure your profiles on professional networking platforms and job search websites are complete, up-to-date, and highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each application to align with specific job requirements and demonstrate your value to potential employers. 7. Stay organized. Maintain a system to track the applications you've submitted, including application dates, contact information, and any follow-up actions taken. Being well organized helps you manage your job search effectively and stay updated on job offers. Session 4. Expert advice.
In a rapidly evolving digital world, staying ahead means not just understanding the latest technologies, but integrating them into our professional lives. Continuous learning and curiosity are at the heart of this. Keeping abreast of technological advancements through tech blogs, industry newsletters, and online forums is essential. This proactive approach ensures your skills remain relevant and in demand. Equally important are soft skills, which play a crucial role in a digital context. Creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability, especially when applied in digital settings, can significantly impact your professional effectiveness. How you approach problem solving in a software development project, for example, or your adaptability in learning new digital skills are crucial. These skills become invaluable assets in navigating digital challenges. Your online presence often forms the first impression of you in the digital age. Platforms like LinkedIn are not just for networking, they're a space to showcase your skills and experiences. Sharing your thoughts and industry trends or project learnings demonstrates your expertise and engagement with the digital world. It's vital that your online persona authentically reflects your professional aspirations and values, resonating with the career path you're passionate about. Applying these skills in real-world scenarios is where true learning and growth happens. Whether it's innovating in e-learning platforms or crafting effective marketing campaigns, it's in the practical application of your skills where you'll truly hone and develop your professional capabilities. Remember, the digital landscape is ever-changing. It's your adaptability, continuous learning, and personal branding that will keep you at the forefront of this exciting journey.
This is the end of our webinar. We hope that we have given you some good tips on improving and maintaining your digital skills. Please explore the other videos in this series, created for the WebLab project.